Hi, this is Benjamin Horn of Geraldtopia Web Design with a short introductory video on how to log into your website and to add new content or to edit existing content. So first, go to the address that you were sent, the URL that you were sent in your email from Geraldtopia Web Design, and click on username. In this field, you enter the username exactly as it was sent to you. You can cut and paste this from the email, and also add the password. If you're going to access the site regularly from a single computer, click on Remember Me and it will remember your login. If you lose your password at any point, click on Lost Your Password and this will enable you to reset your password via email. So at this stage we'll just click on Login. That will take us to the dashboard page. On the dashboard page there's a few different elements. Feel free to explore them. At this stage we'll just look at posts and pages. If you have a blog that you update regularly with news items or a news page, then this is done via the posts page. A post is an item that will appear on your news or your blog page. If you want to add a new item, for example a new product page or a new course that you're offering, you would do this via pages. These are permanent pages that get added to the structure of your website. So now we'll just add a new page. We'll type the name surfing and we will put it under courses. So the parent is the item that appears above it in the menu. That'll become apparent in a moment. We'll just accept the default template for the moment and we'll publish that page. Now if we right click on this and open this in a new tab, we can go over here and look at what the site looks at. Now you'll see under courses we have surfing. Now there's no content on here, so we'll just go back to here and we shall add some media. Media is a fancy word for images. We shall add this nice picture of a helicopter here and we'll insert it into the page. Now if you click on that image you get a draw, which is editing, or a cross, which is deleting. You go to edit it, you can choose its alignment and the size of that image. So I want the full size image, and for example I could align it to the right. You also have the option to put a caption in here, but we won't do that at this stage. There, at the page, you see how it's pushed over to the right hand side of the page. And we can add some text here. This is a photograph of a helicopter or copter. And we'll update that. We'll go over to this other window and we can just refresh that and you'll see what's changed. Now, this photograph of a helicopter, you see that because the width of the photo takes up the whole section, then the text actually goes underneath it. Now, we have a leave a reply option. This is normally something that you would have on a blog, where you enable people to comment about your news or your blog. Now, we don't need that, so we'll go back to the editing page, and you'll see down the bottom, we have discussion, allow comments, and allow trackbacks and pings. If you don't have these discussion items, then you need to go up here to screen options, and on screen options you will see a box marked discussions and you would have to tick that if it was not showing. So we've done that and we can update the site and we go back here and refresh the site and you'll see that now there is no discussions box at the bottom. Now we've also got archives and meta, which is also something more typical to a blog where you're letting people read your past news posts. So we want to get rid of that, and to do that we're going to do that through widgets. So you go to Appearance and you go down here to Widgets. We click on that and that's the right sidebar, and what we'll do is we'll just add a custom menu that we've already set up. Here we'll choose the custom menu as the side menu and we'll save it. Now when we go back here and refresh the page, we don't have any of that, we just have a custom menu which gives links to all our pages on the site. Okay, and that's all you really know. That's all you really need to know to make simple edits to your website. So we'll go back to the first page we had here. When you're in this view, by the way, you can just click on Adventure West and it'll take you back to the dashboard. Obviously this would be the title of your own site. At this stage, that's all you need to know. Good luck editing your website, and if you have any problems, email us at web@geraldtopia.com. Thank you.